All right, good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and it is Embarkation Day. Today we are getting on Radiance of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas, 9 nights, 5 different cruise ports, ready to go. Little chilly, little cold this morning, a little bit of rain, but you know what? Nothing is going to mess with Embarkation Day, so let's go cruising.
Baby, it's my birthday. One more year closer to death, should be yours still. Without smiling, nothing new, you make it look so easy. I walked up in here trying to buy a can of beer, walked out with a case of wine. I like it when you smile.
Friends always like a angry.
I like it when you smile. Every night I say, boy, every dark time. I like it when you smile. Oh, I like it.
Yes, good evening, everybody. Please make some noise for the orchestra.
All right, Embarkation Day, done, over. I am absolutely worn out. I've already walked over 12,000 steps. I've been to a show, just ate in the buffet for dinner, just kind of been exploring around the ship, getting my bearings since I've never been on this vessel before. It was hilarious. Super, super funny. Didn't really record any of the comedy parts. You know, a lot of that stuff is copyrighted, but the show was hilarious. But we're on here for 9 nights, plenty of days left to cover all of the different activities on board the ship. But for now, I'm going to shower, I'm going to rest, try to get some sleep. We have a time change tonight, so we're going to lose an hour. So maybe that means I'll actually sleep in past 5 o'clock in the morning. Who knows? But like I said, we're going to go ahead and cut it for today and pick it up again tomorrow. I hope everyone has enjoyed today's video, Embarkation Day on Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out any new videos, especially when we're out cruising. Hope everyone's having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.